Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share notes on Google Keep application. Keep watching the video till the end. To share notes on Google Keep, firstly open your Google Keep application. The home page of Google Keep application will appear on the screen where your saved notes will be displayed. Click on any notes you want to share. Tap on three dots at the bottom right corner and among the pop-up options, click on Send. You can either copy the notes to Google Docs or send it through other applications. Choose one of the options. Select the social media to share the notes and tap on it. Here, I'm gonna choose WhatsApp. Now, all you need to do is click on the person's name to share your notes and tap on arrow icon. This is how you can share notes on Google Keep application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.